fellow old farts. This is Bob. I had a great fortune to go to San Diego area. This is the Del Mar Dog Beach, and I was encouraged and given the advice to come here for these purple flowers. I said, Aldrin, where are the purple flowers? I got to meet my YouTube hero, Aldrin Astasio, from Flight Path. I have probably watched every single video of Aldrin Astasio's. Every time I got a new product or anything, I would watch his video about it. Here's how you have to climb up this hill. There is at least this staircase. It is a bluff preserve here in Southern California, and so here's the video. I was just enchanted. Aldrin does most of his videos from this spot, and seeing all these beautiful purple flowers in this one area right along the coastline was just So here, this is the San Diego County Fair at the Del Mar Fairgrounds, right next to the Del Mar racetrack. You can see on the left side. And then this is the beach. This is the dog beach, and you can bring your dog. You can keep them on a leash. You can not keep them on a leash. This is it was really a beautiful spot, and just a great place to visit. Our doggies are down there somewhere. They got to go in the ocean for the first time. They didn't like it. Audrey did, but they didn't like it. And this is just an overall shot of this bluff here. That's just a gorgeous spot of the earth here. Don't know what that building behind it is. It may be a residence, but I didn't want to fly over it. Just a beautiful spot. And if you can see on the right-hand side of the video now, there's a young couple walking up the hill. I'm an old fart. I went as far as those stairs would take me, and I'm below them a little bit here. You might see me for a moment there. Not quite. There I am. I was there for a second, but I had to get a close shot of these purple flowers. Just beautiful. Thank you for watching.